Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 7th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So the Aussie dollar is sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. If this move down really is a pullback to this move up, then this 78% is definitely an area where it potentially could turn. But we would have to see a break to the upside on shorter time frames in order to confirm the turn. Otherwise, we do have to still realize that it could possibly go up, make a lower high on shorter time frames, and keep on going down. So, keeping an eye on that, let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I think our most recent structure has to be right here. Even though this is a little bit of a higher low, it might just be like a truncated wave 5. So if it does go up and take out this high, that is definitely going to turn me bullish, and I would definitely start looking for longs at that point. But we cannot rule out the possibility that this right here is just a pullback to this last wave. If the market is going to continue to trend on the daily, then it will make lower lows, lower highs, which means that this move up potentially is just a pullback to this move. So if you do throw a Fibonacci on there and you do see a nice engulfing move to the downside, I definitely would continue to go short. On the other hand, if it goes up and breaks structure, I would wait for the break of structure, and then I would go long after the break of structure and after the pullback that would come after the break of structure. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.